friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MONTECH's high airflow ETX case SKY ONE LITE. So friend, MONTECH has announced the SKY ONE LITE ETX case, and friend, the newest addition to the SKY series offers top cooling performance at a great value with a fine mesh front panel, 3-inch tall 120 mm high airflow fans and all-around anti-dust design. And friend, it is equipped with modern and functional features such as removable quick connect ARGB front panel, and friend, top I/O connectivity includes USB Gen 2 Type-C port, easy swivel tempered glass side panel, and friend, for the frost white edition, which is completely white theme with a white duster filters, grommets and silver screws, and friend, it is available in black color at $69.99 and frost white color at a price of $72.99. And friend, the fine mesh panel consists of 1.5 mm diameter mesh wall space at 2.25 mm apart, providing a 40.3% open area ratio for higher airflow, yet prevents dust from entering the case. And friend, it is unrestricted opening at the top and back of the case, 3-inch tall 120 mm high airflow fans for ideal cooling performance. Users also have the option to upgrade cooling with up to 3x120 or 140 mm fans or up to 360 mm radiator at the front, 2x120 or 140 mm fans or up to 280 mm radiator at the top, 2x120 mm fans above the PSU shroud, and 1x120 mm fan or radiator at the rear. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.